And in this video I am gonna share with you how you can restore your recently deleted reels. So maybe you have mistakenly deleted your reels from Instagram, and after that you wanna get back that reels. So how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. Okay, so here you can see the Instagram apps. Just click on this, and after that you need to go your profile page. So here you can see your profile page, bottom right corner. Click on this, and this is your home page. So now go to right top corner, you can see three dot line here. Just click on this, and after that you have to go the third option, your activity. Okay, click on the option and scroll down a little bit. Then you can see the option here, recently deleted. So click on this, and after that here you can see all of your deleted post, story and reels. So if you want to restore these things, then you can easily do it. So here you can see my recently deleted reel. So just click on this, and after that what you should do, just click here. Just here you can see the option here, three dot circle, three dot. Just click on this, and here you can see the option delete and restore. If you click restore, then this reel will be restored in your post or reel. Okay friend, I hope this is simple tutorial for you and it was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.